How to find Steam money spent. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find how much money you have spent on your Steam. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Steam and then head over to this option called Help on the top. After you do that, tap on Steam Support. And after you're on Steam Support, scroll down and you should find an option called My Account. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, what you'll then need to do is scroll down, and under here you should find an option that says Manage Account Details. My bad, you will need to head over to this option right here. Scroll down until you find data related to your Steam account. After that, head over to the account section, and right there you should find an option called External Funds Used. Tap on it, and after you log in here, what you can then do is you can simply check the amount of money that you have spent on your Steam. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.